How do you turn off a microphone on the Apple Watch? Let me talk about it and explain how it could work. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss future videos and tutorials like this one. Okay, so the Apple Watch most definitely features a microphone as it's part of the device, but it's not so directly accessible as it is on the iPhone. So you can most definitely turn off features which use microphone, but it's not like you can find it directly inside of the settings. Anyways, a lot of people don't like that the Apple Watch can always listen to you while you're using the watch and access Siri. So if you open up the watch app on the paired iPhone and head over to the Siri, you can click on the listen for, and you can click on off and decide that the microphone is not constantly being used to listen for the Siri command and trigger Siri on the Apple Watch. So that's something which you can definitely do. Outside of that, you have some other things regarding the microphone. For example, when you are typing, you can basically switch from a different keyboard on your watch to make sure that you're not using the dictate, but you can use scribble or regular keyboard for typing and so on. Obviously, you can also use microphone when you are on a phone call, but it's not like you can turn it off right here. You can just not use that app altogether. For instance, we obviously have the voice memos, like voice recorder app on the Apple Watch, but it's not like you can disable microphone for it. You can definitely delete the app, but it's not like you can turn off the microphone access. So that's how it works. I just wanted to explain and show you how you can manage this. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future tutorials as well.